Hola, buenos dias. Today I'm going to do a short lesson on the Spanish present progressive form, which in English it's a sentence like, I am running to the store. He is talking. We are playing video games. So it's like the ing ending. Okay, so for this lesson, I'm going to be going through a list of verbs with pictures that represent what the verb means. For some of them, I will say what the definition is, and then after that, I'm going to explain the present progressive and how to use it, how to write it out, how to say it, and then we will do some examples. Okay, so first, the list of verbs. I will say the verb with the picture, and I will give you a little time to repeat the verb after me to practice pronunciation. Okay, ready? Ir a la escuela. To go to school. Ir a la escuela. Hablar por teléfono. Nadar. Nadar. Practicar deportes. To practice sports. Correr. To run. Andar en bicicleta. To ride a bicycle. Cantar. To sing. Leer libros. To read books. Escuchar música. To listen to music. Usar la computadora. To use the computer. Bailar. To dance. Tocar la guitarra. To play the guitar. Dibujar. To draw. Trabajar. To work. Escribir. To write. Ver la tele. To watch television. Jugar videojuegos. To play video games. Leer revistas. To read magazines. Comer. To eat. Patinar. To skate. Esquiar. To ski. Andar en patineta. To ride a skateboard. Usar el teléfono. To use the phone. Pasar tiempo con amigos. To spend time with friends. Viajar. To travel. Comprar. To buy. Sacar la basura. To take out the trash. Enseñar. To show or to teach. Aprender. To learn. Estudiar. To study. Desayunar. To have breakfast. Llegar tarde. To arrive late. Llegar temprano. To arrive early. Tomar. Beber. To drink. Preguntar. To ask. Llorar. To cry. Creer. To believe. Buscar. To look for. Dormir. To sleep. Unas preguntas que no vamos a hacer hoy. Okay, so now to talk about the present progressive. when using the present progressive, all verbs end in, here in bold, AR, like bailar. They end in ER, like correr. Or they end in IR, like escribir, to write. When the verbs end in AR, like bailar, escuchar, música, preguntar, you will conjugate, which you will take off the AR. Take the AR off of the end of the verb. You're left with the stem, bail. And then you will add ando, bailando, bailando, dancing. If the verb ends in an ER or an IR, like correr o escribir, you will take off the ER, take off the IR, and you will add yendo, yendo, corriendo, escribiendo, running, riding. Okay, and with the present progressive, you also need to use the verb estar before this verb. So here is how you say I am, you are. Yo estoy, tú estás. Usted, él, ella está. He or she is. Él está, ella está. He is, she is. Nosotros estamos. We are. Ustedes, you guys. Ustedes. Ellos, ellas están. They are. And then you will add the verb, whatever they're doing. So we're going to do a few examples with the verb list. There's already some right here. Marta está bailando. Marta is dancing. José está dibujando. José is drawing. Yo estoy corriendo. I am running. Daniel está escribiendo. Daniel is writing. So let's do one. Let's do llorar, to llorar, to cry. Número uno, podemos decir I am crying. Yo estoy llorando en mi casa. Yo estoy llorando en mi casa. I am crying in my house. Yo estoy llorando en mi casa, because llorar termina con AR, ends with the AR, so you will add ando, llorando. Okay, número dos, another verb. Jugar videojuegos. Jugar videojuegos, to play video games. He is playing video games. Él está jugando videojuegos. Videojuegos. Él está jugando videojuegos. He is playing video games. Yo no estoy jugando videojuegos. Él está jugando videojuegos. He is playing video games. Okay, let's do this one because it's right here. Buscar. Let's do I am looking for my coffee. I'm looking for my coffee. Yo estoy buscando mi café. Yo estoy buscando mi café. Yo estoy buscando mi café. I'm looking, I put do estoy, to estoy. Yo estoy buscando mi café. I'm looking for my coffee. Okay, another one. This pencil. I don't know. We've done llorar, jugar, buscar. Okay, they're all AR verbs. Now let's do an ER verb. Comer, to eat, comer. El niño está comiendo un burrito. El niño está comiendo un burrito. Okay, so let's do the boy is eating a burrito. The boy, el niño, está. Now we're using this form of está because it's él está. He is. El niño está comiendo un burrito. El niño está comiendo un burrito. He is eating, and we're using this. Yendo. Él está comiendo un burrito. Okay, now, ahora vamos a hacer un verbo que termina en IR, an IR verb. Do I have ER? IR? Creo que no tengo muchos verbos que terminan en IR. Escribir. Escribir termina en IR. Ok, vamos a las notas. Okay, let's do... My mom is writing a card. My mom. That's ella. She is. Ella está. My mom is writing a card. Mi mamá está escribiendo una carta. Mi mamá está escribiendo una carta. My mom is writing a note, a card. Okay, and that is all for the Spanish present progressive lesson. If you want to try to write your own sentences with using these notes, you may go up to the beginning of the video and go over the verbs and then try to write your own sentences in the present progressive. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please give me a like and a comment and tell me what you liked about the video. All right, adios.